2 in this song? To be quiet, aren't they? Yes, all right. Number 1?
December 63.
Yes, December 1963. Very good. 10 points for you. Number 1?
Goodness gracious, Great Balls of Fire.
Oh, number 1.
Casablanca.
Casablanca, yes. There we go. Number 1.
Bombing of Pearl Harbor.
The bombing of Pearl Harbor. Yes, going for the gold. And the answer is?
Mayberry.
Mayberry, that's correct. Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready.
Reggie hits the 3.